the last class you have seen the definitions and examples on 1 and on 2 functions and also composition of functions. What do you mean by composition of two functions f and g? So today we will discuss some more problems on composition of functions and also properties on composition of functions. Just see here, first question. If f from R to R and g from R to R be two functions defined by f of x is equal to sin x and g of x is equal to x square for every x in R, show that f composition G is not equal to G composition f. Just note children, this x in R is the domain set. Okay, so we have to show that these two are not equal. So first we will start with the question itself. Rewrite the given functions. It's very important to rewrite the given functions. So what are the given functions? We have f of x is equal to sin x and g of x is equal to x square. So we will write the definition of composition of functions. F composition g of x is equal to g of f of x. What is f of x? Just replace f of x with sin x. So it is g of sin x. So g of x is x square. So what will be g of sin x? It will be sin x the whole square. So that is nothing but sin square x. Okay. So g o f of x is nothing but sin square x. Now let us go to the RHS, right hand side part of the question. What is that? F o g of x. F o g of x according to definition is nothing but f of g of x. So what is the g of x function here? X square. So f of x square it is. Okay, f of x square. What is f of x? Sin x. In the same way, f of x square is nothing but sin x square. Are these two equal? Sin square x and sin of x square. They are not equal. Hence we have g composition f is not equal to f composition g, or g o f is not equal to f o g. So this is your one example. So let us discuss one more question based on the concept composition of two functions. So what is the given function? F of x is equal to 8x cubed and g of x is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. What is the meaning of x to the power 1 by 3? It is nothing but cube root of x. Find f o g and g o f. So rewrite the function. As a solution, first we have to begin with the function itself. Rewrite the function. What is the function? F of x is equal to 8x cubed and g of x is equal to x to the power 1 by 3. So we rewrite the definition of composition of functions. So g o f of x is nothing but what? G of f of x. What is g of f of x? G of f of x is nothing but 8x cubed. G of 8x cubed. What is g of x? Cube root of x. So g of 8x cubed is nothing but cube root of 8x cubed. What is the cube root of 8x cubed? Just say cube root of 8 is nothing but 2 and cube root of x cubed is nothing but x. So it makes 2x. So now we will find f o g of x. F o g of x, or in other ways it is read as what? G composition f of x. What is the definition? F of g of x. So what is f of g of x? F of g of x. What is g of x given? X to the power 1 by 3. So x to the power 1 by 3. Now f of x is 8x cubed. So f of x is 8x cubed. Then what is f of x to the power 1 by 3? It is 8x to the power 1 by 3 whole cubed. It has to be cubed here. X is cubed here. So here instead of x what do we have? X to the power 1 by 3. So x to the power 1 by 3 has to be cubed. So what is left here? 8x itself. So as you observe, LHS GOF is nothing but 2x and RHS FOG is nothing but 8x. They are not equal. So therefore, just write the conclusion. GOF of x is not equal to FOG of x. So that proves the required question. So we have proved that F composition G is not equal to G composition F. So now let us go to two important important properties on composition of functions. What are they? So if f from a to b and g from b to c are 1, 1, then f composition g from a to c is also 1, 1. What is given here? In the property itself, it is said that g and f both are 1, 1 functions. So you just have to prove that their composition is also 1, 1. Okay, how do we do this? Just consider any two elements from the domain set. What is the domain set of composition of functions? GOF is from A to C. So from A we will consider two elements. What are they? X1 and X2. Consider X1 and X2 in A and you assume that GOF of X1 is equal to GOF of X2. Why do we assume? That is how we prove that given function is 1, 1. You remember how we have proved in the previous videos. How we have proved that the given function is 1, 1. We will consider any two elements in the domain set and we will equate them along with the functions. So now, here we will apply the definition of composition of functions. What is GOF of x1? It is nothing but G of f of x1. And what is GOF of x2? It is nothing but G of f of x2. But you know that G is 1, 1. It's given in the question, property itself, G is 1, 1. What does it mean? If G of x1 is equal to G of x2, x1 is equal to x2. But here, instead of x1 and x2, we have got f of x1 and f of x2. So if G of f of x1 is equal to G of f of x2 and G is 1, 1, what does it mean? F of x1 is equal to f of x2. Just write the reason there. What is the reason here? G is 1, 1. Now, what about the function f? It is also 1, 1, right? So what does it mean? F is 1, 1 means what? If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, x1 should be equal to x2. So x1 is equal to x2. Rewrite the reason. What is the reason here? F is also 1, 1. So what did you observe? Whenever g of f of x1 is equal to g of f of x2, x1 is equal to x2. So it is exactly the condition for injectivity of a function. It is satisfied now. So what do you conclude? The function composition of functions g and f, that is f composition g, is also 1, 1. Just write the conclusion. So f composition g of x is also 1, 1.